Hi everybody, my name is Blaschke and I am so excited to be with you this summer. I want to briefly tell you about the 4 workshops I'm going to do at the conference. Session 1 is going to be on relationships. We hear about relationships all the time and how important they are, but I consistently have teachers ask me, all I have is fighting, arguing, bickering, conflict. How am I supposed to build relationships between the students when it's like this in my classroom? We're going to talk about that. They also ask, where do I have the time to build the relationship that I need to have with this student? We're going to hit that too. Session 2, we're going to specifically talk about the brain and how God's design is so detailed in it and how science and scripture can actually align on the design of the brain. We're also going to talk about the 3 states that a child and an adult respond from in any life situation. A child and an adult respond from one of 3 states. We can actually identify those states, and then our response as the adult or as the teacher changes based on what state the child is reacting from. Session 3 is going to be on something, a tiny chemical. It has been nicknamed the cuddle chemical or the hug hormone or the love hormone. It has been named a lot of things, but one thing that it's for sure, it is God's design and how to bond or unify a family or a classroom together. You will not want to miss that session. And then session 4, bullies. They are walking in the front door. They are entering our classrooms more and more and more, and they are having more aggression, less self-control, less impulse control. We're going to talk about what do we do? How do we handle them? How do we teach our teachers to handle them? How do we protect the other students? We are going to talk about all of that in our bullies session. Those are the 4 topics I'm going to hit this summer. I can't wait to see you there.